Going, I'm gonna start letting them in.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please mute your devices and take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. We ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Judge.
All right, this is City of Detroit versus Richard Earl Lynham Randolph, case number SP 19274-101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lynham Randolph.
He needs to press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lynham Randolph.
I'm sorry about that. Richard Earl Lynham Randolph, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a show cause. Purpose of arraignment, counselor?
We would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Randolph, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Miss Erica Zamundo.
Yes.
Good morning. Buenos dias.
Good morning.
Do you need an interpreter, ma'am?
No, I speak English.
Very good. Do you have a case number?
Yes. So the case number is SP 192-57481.
Erica Franco.
Yes, I have like 3 different paper actually.
I'm sorry, I just got that one. It's good. Let me see.
Okay.
Tomorrow morning, ma'am. You have another case today. You may want to let them know that these cases are in my courtroom tomorrow. Go to sign in to courtroom Larry Williams courtroom now.
Larry Williams?
Yeah, they've got them broken up. You should be in his courtroom. Judge Larry Williams courtroom number. He has your file. It's
okay. Let me write that down. So, because I did have a different paper that my court was tomorrow at 8:30.
Listen. I'm gonna explain it to you.
Sure.
Somehow the 2 tickets came here, and the other main ticket went to Larry Williams. So okay. You know that you can. You're supposed to be there right now, and you're supposed to be here tomorrow. Let him know that you have those other 2 tickets out there, and you want to bring them all in his courtroom.
Okay, so how do I connect to his courtroom right now?
360
332 0000. Okay, thank you very much.
All right, and you feel free to check in tomorrow to see if those cases got there. He should be able to take care of you, though. He'll see it that you'll have you just let him know that you got them all at the same time, and 2 of them came here and 1 of them went to him. All right?
Okay, and then check in tomorrow again, just to
You
see
don't
again?
have to, if he takes them all three, you don't have to worry about it.
Okay, so let me connect to them right now then.
All right, be safe. Best
All
of
right,
luck to
thank you, have a good one.
you as well. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Artis Goldsmith Jr. Case number SP 1661137, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Goldsmith Jr., good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Artist Goldsmith Jr.
All right, we'll call the date and time. You know, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna reset this for a trial on the 14th of August at 9 a.m., okay? Don't miss it this time.
Okay.
Write it down correctly, please.
Okay, 14th of August.
All right, 14th of August at 9 a.m., Mr. Goldsmith. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Tesoro Dwayne Green, case number SP 1896407, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of Tesoro Green, who is present with me via Zoom. Mr. Green, can you please state your full name for the record?
Green.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pretrial. Mr. Green, how is it going, your situation? Are you in a better situation than you were when you came to us the first time?
A little bit better.
A little bit better. Well, that's a good thing. I know you would like it to be better gains and in a quicker process, but better is good. All right. So we'll take those wins when we get them. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor,
Sure.
good morning. This morning, we're asking for an adjournment till 10/6/26, just to allow Mr. Green more time to complete the program. And I do believe that by that date, he should be completed with the program. So it may be that the tickets will be dismissed by that date.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to waive this reinstatement fee. I'm going to waive the read fee. So hopefully after today, you can go get a valid driver's license. I waived that fee, okay? Mr. Green, you'll still owe $336 minus the $45, which is two something, but I'll waive the reinstatement fee and hopefully you can have a valid driver's license after the day, okay?
Thank you.
But you're gonna have to go to the Secretary of State to see if they'll give you that valid license, all right?
And
Okay.
Mr. Green, I can give you a call later this afternoon, and I'll give you more details on the process and what exactly you need to do.
Okay.
So,
All right.
and that was the only hold that was holding up your license.
Yeah, but they keep
If
telling
that's
me
the
I
only,
have other tickets. Oh, I'm sorry.
if that's the only hold, then that should free your license up.
Oh,
All right. If there's nothing
thank you.
further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. We'll continue to pray that your situation gets better, and we're gonna wish you the best of luck. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Richard Lynham Randolph. Mr. Richard Lynham Randolph, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Richard Lynham Randolph?
Yes, sir. I will bring it in, the proof of insurance. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to give you a trial date of August the 14th, 2020, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir. August what? Can you repeat that one more time?
August the 14th. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Barry, versus
I'm good to go.
Carlos. Yeah, you're free to leave. Carlos Daniel
Okay, you say
Lopez.
9 a.m. Thank you.
Carlos Daniel Lopez Lopez. Let's strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Carlos Daniel Lopez Lopez, case number SX47200095, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lopez Lopez.
My name is Carlos Daniel Lopez Lopez.
You have to have your camera on, sir. Mr. Berry, today is the date and time. He's on the 1:30 docket, Miss Williams Law. Day, date, and time set for an arraignment. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez Lopez, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. On the Samsung, good morning to you. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself and state your name? And can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Samsung. Good morning to you, sir or ma'am. What is your name, please?
Good morning. This is Candace Griffin. I don't know if you can see me, but can you see me?
I can. Good morning to you, Ms. Griffin.
Judge, that's my client. I think we could be ready on it right now if that works for the court.
Good morning to you, Mr. Free.
Morning, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Candace Griffin. Case numbers SP18 and the state of Michigan versus Candace Griffin. Case number SP1875543, counts 1 and counts 2. SX4648416-1, SX4648414, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP186802221. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Griffin, your name, please.
Candace Denise Griffin.
Judge, Ms. Griffin's in the process of being admitted to street court. We're just asking for an adjournment to permit that process to continue.
All right, street court is here now.
She already has their information, Judge. My understanding is she sent them some information maybe yesterday. We just need some time for them to accept that and process it.
All right, we'll pass the matter then. We'll get Miss Till to speak with her now. In the meantime, Miss Till, Miss Gray is in breakout room 4. Miss Griffin, I'm going to put you in breakout room 5, and you wait on Miss Till, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, with Michelle Gray and I, we are ready to go on the record. If we can just pull her in the breakout room. I did just speak with her yesterday.
All right. I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Miss Griffin. You wait on Miss Till. She'll be right with you, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Judge, I do have to run to the CJC. Is it okay if I check back in later this morning?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't know if you necessarily need to come back unless you have another client. All right, let's pass the Griffin matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Michelle Nicole Gray. Case number SP 1730403, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1819666, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1893576, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 189-42431. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of Michelle Gray. I have trying to move her back into the main session. I'm not sure what Zoom is. There we go. She's present. All right, Miss Gray, are you able to unmute and please state your name for the record?
Michelle Gray.
And can you turn your camera on, please, as well? Thank you.
Okay.
Your Honor, Ms. Gray is working diligently with the program. She is staying with her daughter currently. She's made a lot of great progress. So therefore, we're asking for a return date for Ms. Gray of August 25th.
You want to raise? Yeah.
The August 25th date, we'll give her the October 6th date.
Okay, let's do that.
October 6th. Ms. Gray, how are things going, ma'am?
They're going all right.
All right, better than when you came here the first time?
Yes. I'm making a lot of progress.
That's good. So they're not just going all right, they're going great. I know that you wanted, you wanted to work faster, and I wanted to work faster. Everybody wants to work faster for you, but let's celebrate the wins, ma'am, all right?
Okay.
Celebrate the wins. When I'm gonna give you another win today, and I'm gonna waive this reinstatement fee for that no insurance proof. I don't know if that'll get you the ability to get a valid license, because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but it'll at least get you a clearance here at the 36th District Court. So try to get a license after today when we waive that reinstatement fee, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And then Ms. Gray, I apologize, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
I will give you a call this afternoon and we can go over where your license at and how that reinstatement fee affects you.
Okay.
All right, let's have a great day, Ms. Gray, and best of luck to you and continued success, okay?
All right, you do the same. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And then, Your Honor, I do have to bounce between a couple of different courtrooms this morning. Did you want to put Lakiana Gaines on the record? I would ask for that same 10-6 date for her.
All right. Well, for the Odell Kirkland, I believe this is she didn't show up the last time, if I'm correct on that, right?
You are correct on that, and I have not heard from her since that date.
It's gonna warrant her.
Okay.
And maybe that'll trigger something and we can, Lakiana Gaines, we'll just, we don't need to put it on the record. We'll just put it a pre-trial 10-6, okay?
Okay, and then I believe the last one I have is William Gillum. He's been pretty good about showing up, so I'm gonna try and work on him to get in here, and then I'll be in a couple of courtrooms and I'll be coming back.
Be safe and we'll be here.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Carlos Lopez. Mr. Carlos Lopez. Oh, Candace Griffin, you gotta speak to. Let's go back on the record with Carlos Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
They wouldn't offer the blocking traffic, or he didn't want to take it?
There were other concerns. He needs to get some things to provide.
All right. trial date is gonna be this, August the 14th at 9 a.m., Mr. Lopez, okay?
All right. Okay, Your Honor.
So August the 14th, don't miss it, all right?
All right. August the 14th.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Dorian Lyles, case number SP 191-25471, SP 191-81311. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lyles.
Dorian Lyles.
Good morning to you, sir. Turn your camera on. Everybody's got to turn their camera on. Good morning to you, Mr. Lyles. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the show cause. For purposes of arraignment, counselor?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lyles, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He has a blocking traffic to go along with that, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, Mr. Lyles. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Are you white?
Father. Good morning to you, Officer Father.
Good morning, sir.
Wine again?
I believe so. I have a ticket right here. Let me see. Win games. GWEM games.
Golson, your matter is set for trial. Good morning to you. I am going to, you're Johnson, so we gotta wait on, I'm gonna wait on your attorney. We'll give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, then we'll get you into, and the same for George. Good morning to you. If the officer appears, we'll get you in with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I got some coming out.
Here, or is it?
No, it's Miss Horn.
One. I got another one. I have some a trial for Judge Kennedy and for 220. So I'll just use it. I'll both do it now.
The father's in a trial in another courtroom, Judge.
You check in. You check in. All right. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Good morning to you, ma'am.
Gwen Gaines, good morning.
Good morning to you, Ms. Gaines. Okay, officer is here. Officer LaFata is here. Morning to you, Ms. Warren.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone. Thank you.
Officer LaFada is here. I'm about to call Gaines now. I guess he's gone out. He's got a trial in Judge Kennedy's courtroom.
And I am ready. Sorry about that.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Gwen Gaines. Case number SP1970351. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. White.
Yes, Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, sir.
Gwen Gaines.
Gwen Gaines.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Gaines. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. White. Officer LaFada did appear. Ms. Gaines, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. White. She's going to attempt to work this out for you. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer she gives you, she'll get, if you have it, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Gillum. Ms. Till is here. Chantel, all right, let's go back on the, hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyles. Mr. Lyles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Okay, that's what you need, Mr. Lyles?
Yes.
I'm going to set a pretrial date for you. That date is set so that that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. Keep in mind to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, I just need a good phone number from you.
313-200-3335.
200-3335. Go. All right, Mr. Lyles, I wish you the best of luck. Answer those calls, and then if you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I do wish you the best of luck, sir. I'll see you back on August the 14th at 8:30.
August 14th, 8:30. Okay.
Yeah, all right. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Kevin Jerome Leverson, case number SP 19181-261, SP 1918130, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leverson.
Good morning, Kevin Leverson.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Add a disregarding red signal to that, Mr. Berry. Mr. Leverson, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Chantel, Ms. Till, are we ready on Ms. Griffin?
Yes, we are. And I also see Mr. Gillum has also appeared this morning.
Yes, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Till, let's call SP, let's call Candace Denise Griffin, SP 186-80221, SP 187-5543, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 189-4053, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 189-4176, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 189-41781, SP 1919073, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 19223021, State of Michigan versus Candace Denise Griffin, case number SX 4648414, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of Candace Griffin, who is present with me via Zoom. Ms. Griffin, can you please state your full name for the record?
Candace Denise Griffin.
And
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pretrial. Some other things. That's arraignment on the other cases numbers, Ms. Till. Purposes of arraignment.
my client would stand mute, waive formal reading.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Till, I'm going to put you in. Oh, you've already spoken, so I don't need to put you in the breakout room. I do want to say this, Ms. Till. I do understand that you're probably in one of the more challenging times, or more than the most challenging times in your life. We'll be praying for you to get through this sooner rather than later. I do believe that there is light at the end of the tunnel. I think with perseverance and dedication and some help, the light will shine brighter. I'm just hoping that it happens sooner rather than later for you. I always use a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says the true test of a man, meaning man and woman and mankind, is not where he or she stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he or she stands in the times of challenges and controversies. For some reason, God put this test on you. I'm sure that you're going to get through it. I just hope it's sooner rather than later. I think that Ms. Till and that program works. I've seen it work, and I hope it works for you. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
All right. I wish you the best of luck. Now, pre-trial date is October the 6th, 2026.
Yes, correct, Your Honor.
All right, at 8:30. Ms. Till, good luck to you. I think you're in good hands, and best of luck to you, okay?
And Ms. Griffin.
Ms. Griffin, I'm sorry. Ms. Griffin. All right. Okay. Have a great day, Ms. Griffin.
Thank you, too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus William Rudolph Gillum, case number SP 150-25941, SP 116-74871, SP 116-74873, SP 161-2471, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 161-9971, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 162-7367, SP 163-3940, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, SP 166-32321, SP 168-7010, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 174-7001, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 175-20041, SP 175-21021, SP 176-4536, SP 182-2041, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 184-50561, SP 98361, 18-4454871, 19-502-948, counts 1 and counts 2, 19-5061661, and 2072205541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961 of Street Democracy, appearing on behalf of Mr. William Gillum, who is present with me via Zoom. Mr. Gillum, can you please state your full name for the record?
Good morning, everyone. William Rudolph Gillum Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Tell me, how's it going?
Everything's going pretty smooth. I'm still waiting to find me a great lot right now, but they pretty much want me to buy the house or go and talk to the neighbors of the lot next to them to see if I could purchase it either through them or I'm gonna have to actually sit on the waiting list again. There's always something new on this
Always
app
gonna be
that I'm
something
on
new,
now.
dude. You know that, Mr. Gillum. It's never,
Yeah,
if it was easy, everybody would be doing it, right?
yeah, true that. Yes.
Perseverance and persistence. So it's good that you're doing well. What I'm gonna try to make it a little easier for you, I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fees for these no insurance proofs. I don't know if that'll help you get a valid license, but it'll certainly give you clearances here. I say, I don't know if it'll help you get a valid license because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but I will waive it here and you can go to the Secretary of State and try to get a valid license. Mr. Gillum is the same October 6th date.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gillum, keep moving forward, sir. Persistence and dedication is going to get you where you need to be and want to be, and you will get there in time. So keep moving forward. I guess it'll always be changing, right? Because we're always going to have more that we try to aspire for. So just keep up and you'll get that lot and try to get that valid license. October 6, 2026, we'll continue to pray for you and we wish you the best of luck, all right?
Thank you, man. Appreciate y'all.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. I believe that is all my matters in front of you this morning.
Very good. All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
I
You as
won't,
well.
if I will call back if Miss Ordell Kirkland comes out.
Please do. I will.
Uh,
Thank you so much.
All right, best of luck to you all.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
On the Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please, sir?
Good morning. My name is Christopher Leah.
Christopher Leah?
Leo.
Okay. Leah. Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
I have another Zoom user I'm gonna name. Zoom user, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning. Good morning, Judge Michael Lewis.
Michael Lewis. All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leverson. Mr. Leverson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right. That's what you want, Mr. Leverson?
Yes.
All right, come back on the 14th of August at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Cortez George, case number SP 1304018, count 1. SP 1307321, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 191-31011. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. George.
I may have called that prematurely. I did.
How you doing? My name Cortez George.
Morning to you, Mr. George. I'm going to pass it. Give the officer a half-hour grace period. It's not quite 9:30 yet, but we'll get you out of here soon. We do have Sergeant Yacoma here. And there's 2 other officers listed. So let me give them an opportunity to check in. All right.
All right.
All right. Good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
Derek Gatewood and Carlin Green.
Carlin Green is here. I don't know where Gatewood is. Good morning to you, Mr. Green. Your attorney's here. He said he'll give you a call. He might kick him off the machine, but that's fine as long as you guys talk. Chantel,
good morning
to you.
Good morning.
What is your full name, ma'am?
Chantel Gardner.
Spell the last name.
Garner.
Okay, so we're just waiting on rest of our matters of trial. Mr. Golson, your attorney's here. He's here. Golson, Gilliam is gone. That's Jalen George.
Yeah.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you gonna have to turn your camera on when we call your case?
Okay.
Everybody be prepared and be properly dressed and prepared, please. I'm still gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. Officer appears, we'll get you in with an attorney. Officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. Ms. Garner, who was your attorney?
I think Jason. I think his name Jason. Attorney Basil Johnson.
Vassal Johnson, he's here.
Yeah. Oh.
Trooper Hardaway, good morning to you. And Officer Huck, good morning to you. Who is your
Good morning, Your Honor.
who is your defendant?
Chantel Gardner.
Okay. All right, Mr. Barry, we can go ahead with strike that, State of Michigan versus Jalen Kyrie George, case number SX 470384, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. George.
Jalen Kyrie George.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a trial of Trooper Trooper Hardaway, good morning to you. Can you start your camera, unmute yourself, state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? Trooper Hardaway, can you start your, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
He's valid.
It's valid. His license is valid, Mr. Berry.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, Mr. George, and today is the date and time set for trial if you don't like that. Join the room. We'll pass
Okay.
through. Ms. Hill, you there?
Yes, Your Honor. I apologize. I had another, have one more for you. Nicholas Gueli, Gueli. I thought I had him in another courtroom, but he is the G's with you. I do not believe he has appeared yet.
I don't think I have him on my docket either.
He is.
He is?
Yeah.
Where is that?
8:35.
Oh, I see, I see. All right, I'll let you know if he comes.
All right, I appreciate that, Your Honor. I've got to jump into one last courtroom. Thank you.
Okay. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney now.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Trooper
Oh,
Hardaway.
Trooper Hardaway here.
Yeah, we're waiting on the city attorney.
I got a chance to talk to counsel at all, so if there's a breakout room open. Thank you.
We were looking for you yesterday too for the Cape Cartavion Green.
Yeah, I spoke to the city attorney on that one.
All right, I'm going to take a recess when oh, well, wait a minute. Mr. Berry seems to maybe have gotten an offer. Gatewood is here, Mr. Carpenter. Who is your other client?
Carlin Green.
All right, Carlin Green goes up first. Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in breakout room 5. Wait on Mr. Carpenter. And good morning to you, Mr. Gatewood. Gatewood, I'm going to put you in breakout room 6.
Okay.
All right, that closes the door for officers. Mr. Johnson, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor, Javon Golson,
All right, you need to speak with him, or are you ready to go?
ready to go.
City of Detroit versus Javon Amir Golson and the state of Michigan. No, just the city of Detroit versus Javon Golson. Case number SP 1909251, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May I please work Bassel Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Golson. He's on Zoom.
I don't know why that other state case wasn't put up for the trial as well. I don't know what happened with that. Maybe it was already adjudicated. I don't know. Let's look it up. Mr. Golson, good morning to you. What is, state your name for the record, please?
Javon Amir Golson.
All right, today is the date and time and is set for a trial. I don't think the officer LUCI has appeared. That's your understanding, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. I move to dismiss as a result thereof.
Oh. I guess he was found responsible of that 31 miles an hour over. I'll dismiss these cases for no officer. If it's nothing, Mr. Golson, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Man, you have a blessing.
Are you what? All right, we're good. All right, Mr. Johnson, Ms. Garner is here as well. You want to call that one?
Not yet. I have to wait for Ms. Horn.
Do you need a breakout room with her?
Yes, Your Honor. I can just go back in there. Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll put you in a, Ms. Johnson, Ms. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7. Wait on Mr. Johnson to come see you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
He has checked in, Officer Lafada.
Lafada, yes.
Lafada,
He checked in.
but he said the
The
Zoom.
Zoom can kick him out.
All right. Yes, we have a gate.
Yeah, okay, so I'll switch the pages.
Yeah, I got him checked in as well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
He's on. I don't know what, Lafada is trying to hear. All right, I'm gonna make you host,
Okay,
if if Ms. Horn comes in, just make her co-host and tell
absolutely.
her that we're ready on these cases that are up here. All right, let me go into recess. Can you text me when she comes back?
Yeah, I absolutely will.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Oh my God.
That means just instead of going F9, RAP, instead of
Oh my God.
so exactly. They're done. Nothing yet.
Where's Miss Warren? Text Miss
I
Warren.
will text her.
What's this is ridiculous. She has not showed back up at all.
No, I haven't seen her at all.
Attorney Franso,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning to you. Are you here on Mansour?
I am, Your Honor.
The officer was here, Sergeant, but I don't see him here now.
Yeah, Your Honor, our office never received notice, so that's partially why I have not appeared at the time. Is there a way I can speak to the city attorney? Is she or he is still available?
Yeah, we're waiting on the city attorney now. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 4.
Alrighty, thank you.
Give me a thumbs up.
Oh man, I'm so tired. Renisha King. Start your camera, unmute yourself and state your name, please. Is this Miss King? Let's call the City of Detroit versus Laith Mansour, case number SP 184011521. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Johnson France, appeal number 78402, appearing on behalf of defendant Laith Mansour, appearing on his behalf with his permission, Your Honor.
And you're a retained attorney?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, I'll waive the client's presence. Have you worked out something with the city on this?
I have had the opportunity to speak with the city. They've offered to dismiss count one, which is a 1 to 5 mile per hour over the posted speed limit, in lieu of a plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading traffic, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
That stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended charge of blocking traffic, $175. Have your client pay it by August the 11th. If there's nothing further, Counselor, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gwen Gaines. Ms. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
She would like to accept a plea to the modification of improper plates, a modification.
All right, Ms. Gaines, you want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss White went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 22nd, 2026, at around 1:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Otter Drive. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No, I did not, Your Honor. My daughter was driving my vehicle.
That was your 2013 Chrysler?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and was that car insured at the time?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate. Did your daughter get a ticket as well?
No, Your Honor. They gave me the ticket.
Okay.
I didn't even know about it until it came in the mail.
Yeah, I imagine so. It's a tough one. You don't have insurance now, right?
No, Your Honor. I don't drive the vehicle.
All right. All right, I'm gonna fine you $240. I'll dismiss upon payment. I will give you 30 days to pay it, and I'll allow a payment plan. So one of two things, Ms. Gaines. I'll set a review date for August the 27th, 2026. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come on down on or before August 27th to get in the payment plan. You have to put some money up to get in the payment plan. If you don't have anything further, I do wish you the best of luck, Ms. Gaines. August 27th at 8:25 is your next court date.
Okay, so you
Go ahead.
said August 27th is the next date.
Court date, yes.
At what time?
8:25. That's just a review to see if you've gotten into the payment plan or paid it off.
Okay, and you say what day I have, sir, to go down to the court to make a payment plan?
August 27th.
Okay, no, that's my court date, but I can go down there before then, you said, to make a
You can
payment.
go down there anytime before then. You can go all the way up to the date of court. And if you come in that morning and you went down there and you got into the payment plan, you just come up to the courtroom and let us know. But you can go down anytime before then to the cashier's window to set up a payment plan.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you. And this court day is in person?
No, it's on Zoom.
Okay.
All right. And Ms. Gaines, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Cortez George, case number SP 130-40181, SP 130-7321, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 191-31011. Appearance for the record, please. Miss White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your full name for the record, sir.
Cortez George.
Good morning to you, Miss George. Miss White, I only have Officer Yukam that appeared. Dinan and James did not appear.
Okay.
Mr. George, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Miss White. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to put you in the breakout room and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pass the matter.
Which breakout room?
3, you're in 3.
Thank you.
He's a no bad. No paper.
He is suspended.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
The attorney left.
She's gone in to see if you can work a deal out for you.
Oh, okay. I'm like, she just left. I'm like, stuck.
Go back in that breakout room, please. She'll be back. She's
Okay.
waiting on the attorney.
Okay.
Officer Monfort.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Normally I would dismiss the case because I have a half-hour grace period, but Paris Logan did not show. So
Yes, sir.
you're free to leave. Officer Frosted, you're free to leave. Paris Logan did not show.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Be safe.
You too.
Corporal Rule, Paris Logan did not show. You're free to leave. Be safe.
Thank you. Have a great one.
You as well. Officer Williams, good morning to you.
Good morning.
You're on Paris Logan.
Yes,
You're free to leave. The officer did not show.
thank you.
Safe.
Mhm.
Carlin Green, you should go back and break out room 5. Mr. Johnson is speaking with the attorney now.
Okay.
Ms. Logan, I gave you're past the time. You're late.
I'm so sorry. Today, like my only day off. So when I get that time off, I had to rest. I apologize. Mm. I paid all my tickets off. I went to Grosse Point and paid my ticket off, and I came down there and like you told me to, and I paid the $90 and
Run her license.
um
All right, give me a minute. I sent
okay.
the officers home. I sent the officers on their way, but we'll see if we need to reschedule. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Chantel Garner, case number SP19044721. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Basil Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Ms. Garner. She's on Zoom.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Garner. Garner, state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Chantel Gardner.
All right. Date and time is set for a trial. Officer Hupp did appear. What's the resolution, if any, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. Miss Horn, the city is moving to dismiss. We have no objection.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss. Best of luck to you, Ms. Garner. Have a very good rest.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Johnson? Can we get Reese Carpenter back in here, please? Let's see.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Right now. Well, we were missing each other. We did talk. Sarkisian.
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Judge Perkins. Look, Paris Logan appeared.
Thank you. Please text me what the officer says. You trying to call the judge on
Carpenter.
Okay, I'm gonna say judge.
Hi, you've
Talk to Sarkisian in the hallway. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's going to happen here?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to limited access 6 to 10 over for the limited access 276 matter. The remaining, of course, the license matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Stipulate the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10, $130. When can you pay it?
You said 130?
Yes.
You give me 2 weeks.
Pay it by August the 11th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Hey, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Christopher Thomas Leo. Give me the correct pronunciation, sir.
What's that?
Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name.
Leo.
Leo, I did. Case number SP19-04976, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leo.
Christopher Thomas Leo.
All right, day, date, and time is set for a trial. Officer Bradley, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Officer Bradley, Detroit Police Department, badge number 1214.
All right, good morning to you. This is should be a failure to stop on this as well, Mr. Berry, but his driver license suspended and a failure to stop. I see is only the driver license suspended on the docket. Get Mr. Leo updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Leo, you have an absolute, today is the date and time set for the trial.
And Mr. Berry, we did discuss the stop sign, 1 to 5 speed and a failure to display.
All right, go in the breakout room. Speak with Mr. Leo. Mr. Leo, that's your offer. Join and speak with Mr. Berry about it. Pass the matter.
And Mr. Carpenter had wanted me to relay to you that he was speaking to another prosecutor at the time, but I did give him the offer on this matter for 3-month delay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a failure to display.
That is correct, on behalf of Mr. George.
You want to take the deal, Mr. George?
Yes, I want to take the deal.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. White went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to way back to January 31st, 2022 at around 2:49 PM in the city of Detroit in the area of Finkel and Asbury Park. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Um, it been some years, Your Honor. I really don't remember, Your Honor. I really do not remember, honestly.
I'll accept the no contest plea if you're not going to contest the fact that the officer pulled you over at that time.
It had to be, sir, because I got the ticket in the mail. So yes.
Well, this is 2018 Chrysler. They say you were driving at the time.
Yes, I remember now. I remember it was a 300C. 300C. Yes, I remember now.
All right, and you were operating a motor vehicle off. Do you have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir. I only had my ID, sir.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display, with stipulation of probable cause, would dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, 240, sir. When can you pay it? I'll waive the warrant fees.
240.
Listen, I'm gonna give you 30 days.
30 days.
And I'll mark the file allow payment plan.
Okay.
You have $288 no insurance proof. I would pay that first. That would get you clearances here, and then you put all this other stuff in the payment plan. I'll pay it by August the 27, 2026 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come down to the courthouse on or before August the 27th and get into the payment plan. If you don't have anything further, Mr. George, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir, you too.
All right, Sergeant, you're free to leave. Best of luck. And
Thank you, sir. Take care.
this is the city of This is the city of Detroit versus Cartel Joseph Garth, case number SP 1692863, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rita White on behalf of, please say your full name for the record, sir.
Cartel Garth.
All right, turn your camera on, sir. The date and time is set for a trial. Officer Epperson was here. He's not here now, but I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss White. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And if we need to hold that trial, then we'll get Mr. Epperson in here immediately.
Yes, sir.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, I also do note that there is a case, he has another case scheduled for review. I'm just inquiring if that's accurate.
I don't think so.
Okay. All right.
Your Honor, I was in a break.
Yes.
I was in a breakout room and nobody came in there yet.
No, I know that.
Oh,
Nobody keep come in there. They're gonna come in there when your attorney
oh,
is been telling you that.
okay. So I'll
You
chill out.
you can sit in here if you want to.
Oh, okay.
I've called them.
Yeah, I want to hang with y'all.
The man killed his wife and 6 kids.
Oh, man.
In that house fire, yeah, he said he could murder suicide. No, he shot them and then set the house on fire and then shot himself. So he just got let go of his job weeks earlier.
I'm sorry, you said, Your Honor, he lost his job?
I guess so.
People are
That's insane. No, you want something? I got stuff in my change. It's most of the stuff is in the middle drawer. Okay, most of the stuff is in the middle drawer.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
go back on the record with Mr. Garth. Mr. Garth, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
He would like to, on behalf of Mr. Garth, plead guilty to the modification of improper plates connected to the no insurance ticket.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Garth?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. White went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 29th, 2025 at around 2:35 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Fort and Jefferson. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? Was this your 2010 Ford?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Because I didn't have it insured at the time.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate and stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
$240 is the fine I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, sir?
Can I get on a payment plan?
I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure it out.
Okay.
I'll mark the file allow payment plan. Do one of two things. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or you come on down to the courthouse and get into the payment plan on or before March the 27th, 2026. And that's your next court date at 8/25. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Are you saying when the court date is again?
August 27th, 2026.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Our best. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Kenneth Lewis. And it's case numbers SP 1913906 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Michael Kenneth Lewis.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Lewis.
All right, day is the date and time is set for a trial. Officer Martin did appear. He's not here now. Give Mr. Lewis an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And the day is the date and time set for that. Join the room, speak to Ms. White, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Christopher Leal. Leal. Is it Leal?
Leo.
Leo.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Leo, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, it's an offer of 1 to 5 limited access.
And allowing for the driver's license suspenditure.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
He did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
By taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 21st, 2026, around 8:22 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Salem and Margarita. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license,
He did.
and you could not do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Don't have one.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. I won't fine you for the limited access, 240 for the allowing. When can you pay it, sir?
I need a few weeks.
All right, I'll give you until August the 27th, 2026. I'll mark the file allowed payment plan. Do one of two things, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan on or before August 27th. If there's nothing further, if it's paid, we'll dismiss the case, come back August 27th to day 25. Mr. Leo, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, sir.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Willie L. Good. Case number SP 166124, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1429165, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Good.
Willie Good.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor. Bless you.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Good, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
All right, we'll pass the matter.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
Today I was supposed to have 6 tickets. You put both the cases together last time, and that's supposed to be two. Both my tickets was combined into one. I mean, you said it for today for both the tickets. Cause the lawyer is confused, and I'm trying to help her.
I bet you are.
Judge, I've been trying to switch that Florida driver's license to a Michigan driver's license for 5 years. You done cleared my license so many times. I done came here with a lawyer. They giving me the runaround. They still got my name attached to somebody else in other states. But I did everything I was supposed to do to have a driver's license. I pay every money.
Mr. Dupree, good morning to you again. What about your client? Who's your client, Mr. Dupree? Ms. White?
Yes.
For Michael Kenneth Lewis, I don't know why it didn't make it to the docket. Expired plate, no insurance proof, and a failure to use turn signal.
Okay.
Give an updated offer on those. Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Lewis, and wait on Ms. White.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Plate, no insurance proof, and failure to use turn signal.
Got it.
All right. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, Mr. Good, Willie Good. There's a Willie Good second, and then there's another Willie Good who may very well be his father who is deceased. And I'd just like to check the birthdays.
Nineteen 11/3/1977 for the driving while license suspended and the open alcohol. And then the same 11/3/1977. 11/3/1977.
For all four.
All four.
Mr.
Dupree, who's your client?
Judge, I was just checking back in on Candace Griffin to see if Street Court was able to take her and everything.
Yes.
Cool. Thanks, Judge.
All right, be safe.
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Judge Perkins. Judge Carpenter, Mr. Carpenter, you need to be in here, please, or join Zoom.
Okay, I will.
Let's go back on the record with Michael Lewis. Bring the officer in here. Did you tell Ms. Horn to get officer in here? You're gonna get 2 court dates because the officer Ochoa wasn't summoned to be here, but get him in here on Joshua Martin, please. In the meantime, Miss White, let Miss Horn know that now in the breakout room, and then we'll take care of Miss Paris Logan.
Okay, thank you.
You have Gatewood. Carlin is first, and then Gatewood. The prosecutor's in 4.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Good. Mr. Good, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for the driving where a license was never having been acquired, and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to February the 1st, 2023 at around 2:37 p.m. City of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Dwyer. You have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You could not do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Didn't have one at the time.
All right, find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. $240 is the fine. Dismiss upon payment. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240. When can you pay it? I'll waive the warrant fee. When can you pay it?
Within the next 2 weeks, I'll have it.
All right, come back on August the 11th, 2026 at 8:25. If it's paid, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid, you don't have to show back up. But if it's not paid, I need to see you. If there's nothing further, Mr. Good, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, so if I pay it, then don't worry about the court date on the 11th?
Right.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you.
Yeah, thank you. Same to you.
Yeah. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Parrish Cherie Michelle Logan. Case number is SP 102832121, SP 1445066. Strike that. SP 144500061. SP 1643840 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1673601 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1714150 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1714164 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1739362 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1739486 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 174842991. SP 1752432 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752496 counts 1. SP 1752994. SP 1761891. SP 1864586 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1864591. SP 989952 counts 1, 2, and 3, and the state of Michigan versus Parrish Cherie Michelle Logan, case number SX 3677081. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Logan.
Paris Logan.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am. We did let the officers go, Mr. Berry, but Officer Robbins did not appear and Officer Robson did not appear, and Officer DeRoff did not appear. Ms. Logan, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And Ms. Logan has made significant efforts to try and get a valid driver's license. It is not valid now, but she did pay every reinstatement fee that we asked her to pay. I don't know what's going on with her license, but I don't believe it's in this jurisdiction that's holding it up. She did indicate to the court that she had gone and taken care of Grosse Pointe as well. So, Mr. Berry, talk to Miss Logan, see if you can get her that updated offer. And Ms. Logan, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry.
And Your Honor, real briefly from the people, you mentioned the officers that weren't here. Monfort, did he show up?
Monfort did show up. He was late.
Okay,
but
thank you.
Since
Got it.
Ms. Logan out of here, I will not allow Mr. Monfort to be heard, as well, Officer Monfort to be heard. All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
In the room, Ms. Logan. Let's pass the matter. Are we ready? How long are we going to take to get Officer Martin back in here for this trial? Ms. White?
Your Honor, I've not been able to speak with Mr. Lewis and Miss Attorney Horn. I can't provide you an explanation.
Say that
regarding the
again
officer.
now?
I cannot provide you an explanation regarding the officer, but I haven't been able to speak with Mr. Lewis because he's been in this main courtroom since.
Well, the officer, did you let Ms. Horn know he wants his trial?
Well, I would like to revisit these tickets with Mr. Lewis, because Mr. Lewis can indicate that he wants these matters thrown out because the officers came but left. The officer.
Well,
Yeah,
one
well, it's
officer
not-
never showed up. It's 2 tickets.
Listen. It's not going to happen. Okay. So you're going to take the deal, get a deal, or
Today is my trial day, Judge.
Listen. What did I say? I'm going to
Yes,
get the
sir.
officer back in here if you want the trial. The other officer, we can set new dates for him and get him back and have them back in here all on one date, because the other 3 civil infractions were supposed to be on the docket, but they inadvertently did not get added to the docket. So one of the things
That's not my fault. I keep being abused.
Listen, I don't care. And don't interrupt me again. That's just how it's going to be. All right. So what do you want to do? Do you want to come back? You want to get a global offer, or do you want to come back? Or do you want to have a trial on this today and then have the other 3 tickets on another day?
Your Honor, I need help to get my license. This is not my fault. It's the court.
I don't care.
It's the
I
court's
don't
fault.
care. Ms. White, go ahead and speak to him, as he's not going to get it. He's going to get thrown out of here.
Okay.
All right. Are we ready on Carlin?
Yes.
Greg Green. All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Carlin Levon Green. Case number SP 187-17501 and count 2. SP 187-169, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Race Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Carlin Green. Please state your full name for the record.
Carlin Levon Green.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Appreciate your patience. How have we worked it out?
Your Honor, my client wishes to proceed with the trial. I did speak with City Prosecutor Tamika Horn, and she has no objection for it to be rescheduled to be a in-person trial.
We're at this last hour again, Mr. Carpenter.
I understand. I wasn't aware at the time that Mr. Green was wanting to go through.
But that's why he's been here all morning.
I understand.
Ms. Horn, can we get Officer Bowman back in here? Mr. Green wants a trial. What was the offer?
The offer would be 2 blockading traffics, for the violation of unsafe manner, and then the disregarding the red signal. So those 2 would be amended to blockading. The failure to signal would remain as charged, and the misdemeanor, the no.
Your Honor, the offer, I'm sorry, Mr. Carpenter, the offer was simply 2 blockadings, that's it, and dismissal of the balance.
Oh,
So
You
no
wanna-
points, just gotta pay.
You want to take the deal, sir? Or do you want your trial right?
how much was the tickets?
$175 a piece, no points.
And that's okay, Mr. Green, because your counselor did ask me whether Your Honor would, in lieu of fines and costs, do community service. I have no objection. I defer to the court on sentencing.
I would do 12 hours of community service.
I would
For
take
both.
that. Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. And dismissing the other 2 counts or the other 3 counts. For fines and costs, I'll allow him to do 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice. No, not necessarily with Southwest Detroit. With our 12 hours of community service. You want to do community service to clear everything up, sir?
Yes, sir. If I could, please.
All right, so that's going to be an additional 18 hours for a total of 30 hours of community service. Well, no, I'll just do 24 hours of community service will clear everything.
Thank you.
I need a good phone number from you.
313-758-9868.
I'm gonna refer the matter to community service. I'll give you Ms. Shelton's number.
Okay.
I'll give you until August the 27th to complete the hours. Ms. Shelton's number is 965-8130.
Hold on. 313.
965-8130. You should not have to call her. She should call you. But if you find that a week has gone by or so, she hasn't called, you can get in contact with her. You also know how to get in contact with the court. Complete the community service hours. We'll close those matters out. All right.
Okay.
August the 27th is your next court date. Best of luck to you, Mr. Green. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank y'all for that cleanup.
All right.
Absolutely. Good luck.
Thank
You ready?
What was that court date again? August 27th. Okay, thank you.
27th at 8:25.
Thank you.
And where's the
It's gonna be a plea month away.
Good day.
City of Detroit versus Anthony Gatewood, case number U75142526. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Derek Anthony Gatewood. Can you please state your full name for the record?
State your name for the record, Mr. Gatewood. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Derek Anthony Gatewood.
Today is the date and time is set for a trial we did have Officer Sarkeesian here. There's a 3-month delay.
It would be a 3-month delay time.
You want to take the deal pleading as charged, Mr. Gatewood, 3-month delayed sentence, meaning I'll fine you the $240. I'll give you until October the 26th to pay it. If it's paid and you don't get in any other trouble like this, the case will be dismissed. Do you want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Carpenter went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No.
Oh, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 2nd, 2026, around 6 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Epworth Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Did you have some drugs on you? Crack cocaine?
Yes, sir.
And did you have any prescription to have those drugs on you?
No, sir.
You satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, find your client guilty as charged. $240 is the fine, 3-month delayed sentence. Again, pay it by August 26, 2026. Pay it at any DevDAC kiosk in the city of Detroit, or upload. I'm told you can upload the DevDAC app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You pay it, don't get any other trouble like that. By August the 26th is your next court date. Come back then, and we'll dismiss the case. If you get in some more trouble, it's gonna stay on your record. All right.
All right.
Any questions, sir?
No. Thank you very much.
Have a very good rest of your day. Appreciate your patience. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right. God bless.
You as well. Thank you.
Write the other date down.
Your Honor, this is the offers for Harris Logan.
Yes. Thank you.
You got it?
Yeah, I
Okay,
got it.
okay.
You can go. I'll put it in the file.
Judge, can you give me 3 minutes? Don't go
Okay.
on. Don't go on without me.
All right.
Madam, may I approach?
You may.
And I know you'll apply them to whatever cases for convenience, but that's just the offer for Miss.
That's Mr. Lewis's file.
Okay. Martin is back, I believe, Your Honor.
Are we ready are we ready? Mr. Barry needs to see. Are we ready on Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor, but just a confirmation if the officer is indeed present. Mr.
He
Lewis
is present.
no. Okay.
At least the one officer is. What does he want to do with the other 3 cases?
Oh, those matters are the plea offers to be for those to be dismissed today.
All right, you want to, all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Lewis.
Is the court reporter back yet?
No, thank you so much.
Yep. I remembered.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
You may.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You sound like you taking.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what we'll never know. So.
Thank you.
I'm back, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Lewis. Mr. Officer Martin, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Joshua Martin, badge 4091, Detroit Police Department. Sorry, Your Honor, I was in another courtroom.
That's okay. It's a failure to display and a speeding 6 to 10.
That is correct.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? Let's add SP 1908312 counts 1, 2, and 3 to the record. Those matters upon taking this deal are going to be dismissed. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Ms. White went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 18th, 2026, at around 4:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Finkel and North Lawn Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
You were operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
My name is still attached to somebody's got my credentials somewhere.
All right.
And I've
You
been
didn't have a valid license, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And were you speeding that day?
Yes, sir.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display for not having a valid driver's license, and find your client responsible of the amended count of 6 to 10 for speeding. So stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, I'll fine you for the 240 for the failure to display. I'll cut your break on the speeding. 240, when can you pay it?
I need some time, sir.
I'll give you until August the 27th, 2026. I'll mark the file allow payment plan, do one of two things. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Well, let's go back on the record with Miss Paris Logan. Miss Logan, I've given you an opportunity. Wait a minute. Miss Officer Martin, have a good day. Ms. Horn, can you go speak to Mr. Berry, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Logan. Ms. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter pleas as follows: 4 counts of improper plates, 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of allowing, and 1 count of no valid registration of civil matter.
All right. You want to take the deal, Ms. Logan?
Yeah,
Come on now, what's the problem?
I'm just a single parent. I can't afford all of this.
Miss Logan, I see you making strides in getting that. I'm not gonna fine you for all this, all right?
Yes,
All right. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
yes,
I raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes,
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes,
Have any questions about those rights?
no,
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
yes,
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
no.
Ms. Horn, where's Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you have any objection to changing that failure to display to an allowing to I don't know what I know she's been making strides and I know she's been in other jurisdictions. I do know that a failure to display abstracting on a not valid license. I just don't know what she's pled to in these other jurisdictions. And I would not like us to set her back any more than she already has. Any objection to that?
Your Honor, just as an explanation on behalf of the people, I don't think any of us are setting her back. These are a fault of her own. While I do have empathy for her, not just sympathy, but empathy, because we've all struggled. I'm going to defer to the court on that. However, I would like her to keep in mind that 30 cases or 25, I believe, cases are being dismissed out of these 30 that she's had over the years.
All right, I understand that, and I appreciate you deferring to the court. I may have misspoke a little. We're not setting you back, and I shouldn't say that we're setting her back any. She did get these tickets, but she indicated to the court that she has a disabled child. She's been working hard. She's been here, and I would just rather not see something that would prolong her from getting a license if we could. So I do appreciate you allowing the court to do that.
Yes, Your Honor, it's fair.
Miss Logan, let me draw your attention back to February the 8th, 2026, around 6:24 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of East Lafayette and Mount Elliott Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you operating this 2008 Jeep?
Yes, Your Honor.
Whose vehicle is that?
That's my vehicle.
Very well. And the officer asked you to produce valid insurance, registration, and a driver's license. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you could not do any of that, could you?
No, I could not.
Why is that?
I didn't have it at the moment. Like, I do everything by myself. So
very well. You didn't have it. You didn't have it. Find you guilty of the amended count of allowing for not having the valid driver's license, an amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance. All right.
Yes.
Miss Logan, let me draw your attention. Back to August the 24th, 2024, at around 11:04 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Cadillac. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor.
You could not do so, could you?
No.
All right. Why is that? Because you didn't have it, correct?
Correct.
All right. Find you guilty as to the amended count of allowing for not having the valid driver's license. Let me draw your attention back to July the 4th, 2024, at around 4:24 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lafayette and St. Albans. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid registration, insurance, and a driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No.
And because you didn't have one, correct?
Correct.
I find you guilty of the amended count of allowing for not having the valid driver's license. Find you guilty of any kind of improper plate for not having the valid insurance. And find you guilty of improper plate for not having the valid in registration. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay. That's for the fine. I'll fine you the $90 for the no valid registration. And I'll fine you for one of the misdemeanors. You owe a lot of other civil infractions, I see. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. I'm going to give you 30 days to try to get this together. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. And come back on August the 27th, 2026 at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
So I have to pay another $90. I already came down there and paid the 90.
No, you just have to pay. You're going to have to pay this stuff. I find you $240 and $90 today. Okay. So the rest of the stuff is stuff that you had already, civil infractions and stuff like that. But I'm giving you an opportunity to get into a payment plan on all of it. You can get into a payment plan on all of it. And you still don't have any of this affecting your ability to get a license here. So you should, I know you have some work to do in other jurisdictions. If you find yourself in a position that you can't get this done, come back on the 27th and we'll talk about it again. All right.
Okay.
All right. Listen, Miss Logan, keep working. All right.
I'm trying.
Yep, it's a process, ma'am. You got to keep working though. Keep working and keep the faith, and it'll work out. All right.
Yes.
All right. I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, and we'll be praying for you and your family. Okay.
Thank you.